Welcome to Speakatale. Today, we're diving into Wherever You Go, There You Are by Jon Kabat-Zinn, a powerful guide to living more fully in the present moment. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, constantly caught up in your thoughts, or as if life is just rushing by, this book offers a way to slow down and find peace right where you are. Kabat-Zinn, a mindfulness expert, breaks down how we can embrace mindfulness in our everyday lives, whether we're dealing with stress or simply looking for more meaning. In this video, we'll explore the key insights from this book and practical ways to incorporate mindfulness into your own life. So let's jump in and discover how to be present and truly embrace each moment. 1. Introduction to Mindfulness and Presence. In Wherever You Go, There You Are, Jon Kabat-Zinn invites readers into the world of mindfulness, a practice of being fully present in each moment, without judgment. Kabat-Zinn, who pioneered the use of mindfulness in modern medicine, aims to help people from all walks of life understand and implement mindfulness. He emphasizes that the goal of mindfulness isn't to become someone new or to escape reality, but to become fully aware of who we already are. Through mindfulness, Kabat-Zinn explains, we learn to connect with our own lives in the present moment, which often passes us by unnoticed as we worry about the future or dwell on the past. 2. The meaning behind, Wherever You Go, There You Are. The title of the book, Wherever You Go, There You Are, captures its essence. Kabat-Zinn suggests that no matter where you are or how much you change your surroundings, you're always with yourself. He challenges the common misconception that external changes can bring inner peace or happiness. Instead, he emphasizes that true peace is found within. Through mindfulness, we can learn to connect with ourselves deeply, regardless of where life takes us. This concept serves as the foundation for the book's teachings, highlighting that mindfulness is a way to meet ourselves with compassion and understanding, wherever we are. 3. Living Beyond, Automatic Pilot. One of Kabat-Zinn's key insights is the concept of living on automatic pilot, a state in which we perform daily tasks without truly being present. Many people are so busy planning, worrying, or overthinking that they rarely experience the full richness of life as it unfolds. Kabat-Zinn argues that by cultivating mindfulness, we can break free from this automatic way of living. Mindfulness brings awareness to each moment, allowing us to fully experience even the simplest activities, like eating, walking, or breathing. By being fully present, we can appreciate life's subtleties and feel more engaged in our own lives. 4. The essence of mindfulness, non-judgmental awareness. At the heart of mindfulness lies the practice of non-judgmental awareness, observing our thoughts, emotions, and sensations without reacting or judging. Kabat-Zinn explains that when we practice this type of awareness, we can better understand our emotions, rather than letting them control us. For instance, if we feel anger or sadness, we acknowledge these feelings instead of suppressing them or allowing them to dictate our actions. This gentle acceptance enables us to respond more wisely and compassionately. Kabat-Zinn shows that mindfulness helps create a space where we can observe our inner experiences calmly and choose how we wish to respond. 5. Bringing mindfulness into everyday life. Kabat-Zinn makes mindfulness accessible by teaching readers to incorporate it into everyday activities. He explains that mindfulness isn't confined to formal meditation sessions, it can be practiced while washing dishes, walking, or even breathing. This perspective removes the barrier of needing extra time or special settings, making mindfulness accessible anywhere and anytime. By paying attention to simple daily tasks, we can transform them into opportunities for presence and self-awareness. Kabat-Zinn's approach is practical, showing readers that mindfulness can be a natural part of life, embedded in even the most mundane activities. 6. The practice of meditation and mindful techniques. While mindfulness can be woven into daily activities, Kabat-Zinn also emphasizes the benefits of formal meditation practices to deepen mindfulness. He introduces a variety of techniques, including sitting meditation, walking meditation, and body scan meditation, describing each in clear, simple language. Meditation is not about emptying the mind but about observing thoughts and emotions as they arise without attachment. By practicing regularly, we develop a stronger foundation of mindfulness, which helps us respond to life's challenges with greater ease. Kabat-Zinn provides tools for beginners and experienced practitioners alike, encouraging consistent practice for long-lasting transformation. 7. Embracing the concept of non-doing. One powerful message in the book is Kabat-Zinn's idea of non-doing. In a world that values constant productivity and busyness, non-doing offers a counterbalance. Kabat-Zinn explains that taking moments of stillness, where there is nothing to achieve or prove, is essential for well-being. This practice isn't about laziness but about recognizing the value of simply being. By allowing ourselves to experience moments of rest, we give our minds a chance to recharge and gain clarity. Kabat-Zinn's concept of non-doing is a reminder that we don't need to constantly strive. Sometimes, the most valuable thing we can do is to simply be present. 8. The importance of compassion and acceptance. Mindfulness, as Kabat-Zinn describes, is not just about awareness, it's about bringing kindness and acceptance into that awareness. He emphasizes that being mindful involves accepting ourselves as we are, without harsh judgment or self-criticism. Often, we are our own harshest critics, but Kabat-Zinn encourages readers to meet themselves with compassion. This acceptance doesn't mean giving up on growth, but rather approaching change from a place of understanding and patience. By cultivating kindness towards ourselves and others, we create a more peaceful and loving internal environment. 9. Overcoming obstacles in mindfulness practice. Kabat-Zinn recognizes that practicing mindfulness is not always easy. He addresses common obstacles such as impatience, frustration, and self-doubt, which can make mindfulness challenging. By discussing these struggles openly, he normalizes the difficulties people face in maintaining a mindful practice. Kabat-Zinn reassures readers that setbacks are a natural part of the journey and encourages them to approach these challenges with patience. Rather than seeing obstacles as failures, he frames them as opportunities to strengthen one's practice, reminding readers that mindfulness is a lifelong journey rather than a quick fix. 10. Mindfulness is a way of life. In the concluding chapters, Kabat-Zinn emphasizes that mindfulness is more than a technique, it's a way of life. He encourages readers to view mindfulness as a lens through which they approach each moment. This approach does not mean avoiding pain or life's challenges but rather facing them with courage and clarity. Kabat-Zinn explains that while mindfulness doesn't erase life's problems, it transforms our relationship with them. By being present, we learn to respond rather than react, making us better equipped to navigate life's ups and downs. Mindfulness, he reminds us, allows us to meet life fully and embrace it as it is. 11. Conclusion. Finding fulfillment through presence. Wherever you go, there you are offers a profound, yet practical, path to living with greater awareness, peace, and fulfillment. Kabat-Zinn's insights teach readers that by bringing mindfulness into each moment, we can find a deeper sense of connection with ourselves and the world. The book's message is simple but powerful. Peace and happiness are not found outside ourselves but within, in the present moment. Through mindfulness, we can learn to live more fully, embracing life in all its richness and complexity. Kabat-Zinn's guidance encourages readers to cultivate a life of presence, showing that wherever we go, we truly carry everything we need within. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these insights from wherever you go, there you are inspiring and helpful. Remember, mindfulness isn't about changing who you are or achieving some perfect state, it's about finding peace with yourself exactly as you are, wherever life takes you. If you're ready to live more mindfully, start with small steps and remember that every moment offers a new opportunity to be present. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to Speakatale for more easy explanations of life-changing books. Let's keep exploring ways to bring more clarity, calm, and joy into our lives, one book at a time.